Hello everyone, welcome to class. So this is a new topic and we are in financial mathematics. Financial mathematics, one of my most interesting topics in mathematics at the basic level. So let's see. So we'll be looking at some topics under financial mathematics. It's a broad topic. It has up to four subtopics under it. So, but first, what do we call financial mathematics? Finances has to do with money. So financial mathematics is just a branch of mathematics that deals with money, that deals with buying and selling, that deals with business, and we are taking it at this grade level so that we can see what and what to do. So it's a very important topic for external examinations, and it's always there. Okay, so we'll start with profit and loss, but in subsequent classes we'll be looking at things like simple interest, discount, commission. Those are still financial mathematics, but we'll start with profit and loss. So let's see. Let's define some terms under profit and loss. Number one, we are looking at cost price. We're looking at cost price. So cost price is how much a person buys a product, how much a person buys a product. Then we have the selling price. This is how much a person sells a product or service. How much a person sells a product or service. And then profit. Profit is defined as gained, the amount gained by selling a product. The amount gained by selling a product. So how do we make profit? To make profit, the selling price must be more than the cost price. The selling price must be more than the cost price. Okay, and then loss. How do we make loss? Loss is defined as the amount lost by selling a product. So how do we do that? To make loss, the cost price must be more than the selling price. The cost price must be more than the selling price. So for this class, we'll just take the definitions and then formulas, and then we'll do our solving in the next class. Right, so profit, we have selling price minus cost price for profit. Then for loss, we have the cost price. Remember, in profit, selling price is bigger than the cost price. And then in loss, cost price is bigger than the selling price. What that means is that for you to make gain, for you to make profit, the money you used to sell must be bigger than the money you used to buy. All right. And then if you are making loss, the money you used to buy must be bigger than the money you used to sell. All right. So profit. Now, if you are given percentage profit, because we'll still bring everything back to percentage. If you are giving percentage profit, you can find profit by calculating percentage profit all over 100% times the cost price. Take note, the cost price is always the original. Take note of that, please. The cost price is always the original. All right. So take note. And then loss, using percentage loss to find loss, that will give us percentage loss over 100% all over cost price. Cost price is the original. Okay. And then we have, if we are finding percentage profit, if we are given profit, that will give us profit all over the cost price times 100%. And then percentage loss will be loss all over cost price times 100%. Okay, and then these other two formulas, I call them special formulas. So we have the selling price equal to 100% plus percentage profit times the cost price. This one is used if we are given the percentage profit and given the cost price, and then we have to find the selling price. All right. Even if we are given selling price, we can also find the cost price. So the two of them are the same, but one has to do with if it is profit, and the other one is if it is percentage or if it is loss. So one is if you are giving percentage profit, and then the other one is if you are giving percentage loss. So it's just a formula. When we apply, you see how it goes, and then you understand what we do. So that will be all for today. So like I said, today's class is just for definition of terms and then formulas I will be using. Please do well to copy the formulas carefully into your notes. So when we start solving problems in our next class, you will know what to do. All right, so thank you very much. Do well to like, subscribe, and also share these amazing lessons to others. See you in the next class.